Okay, we are knee deep into swapping this 7.3 IDI in our car hauler. Finally got the engine out yesterday, and of course it's a nasty mess in here like most diesel engine compartments. Hopefully this new engine is not going to have near the amount of leaks that the other one did. And just about got everything swapped over that needs to be swapped over before I set it in the engine compartment and finish up. So it's about ready to lift it off the stand. Speaking of lifting, this thing was a royal pain to get it out of the truck and get it up over the core support, because these engines are extremely tall. And I've had to drop the truck all the way to the ground just on some 4x4s. And we also had to build a whole new top beam for the engine hoist that was a little bit longer to give us the reach we needed and without the wheels hitting the I-beams. And then also added this piece on top of the cylinder to give it some more lift. And then when you do that, that changes the geometry of your engine hoist and it makes it front heavy. So we have some added ballast in the form of 2 batteries and a lead weight box out of the race car. And it did great. Just barely cleared the core support, and I think it's going to be a lot easier going in now that I've got the hoist straightened out. So anyway, I'm just transferring over a lot of little brackets and a turbo mount and checking the fit on the turbo. And trickiest thing on this turbo is when you put it in and it's up in the truck, you can't this oil return, I mean, you can barely get your hand down in there once it's up in the truck, and it has to go down in that grommet and then be sealed with RTV, and it's really kind of a blind process. But anyway, we've done it before and it worked okay. So anyway, so that's where we're at, and hopefully update next and have it sitting in the engine compartment, maybe even running. We've got our 7.3 IDI installed in our 74 F350 car hauler, and we're going to take it out for a test drive and see how it does, and let you guys that have been following this see how it runs. We've got the glow plugs on manual. I managed to burn up a glow plug controller, so got 20 pounds, a little over 20 pounds of oil pressure idling, which is normal for these motors. So let's see how she does. a 9,500 pound truck empty.